Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable auto roundup and rainy day rules together in Plum UK. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So to enable both auto roundup and rainy day rules in Plum UK, all you got to do is simply open your Plum UK account. So once you open your Plum UK account, you need to simply tap on it, and once you have tapped on it as well, you need to simply get logged in or signed up into your account. Once you have done this, you need to simply go to the brain section. It is basically in the Plum app. So once you are there, you need to simply activate the roundups. You need to find this option and simply activate it. Now you need to activate the rainy day option as well. You need to find this as well and simply activate it accordingly. After this, you need to check your subscription and review your savings. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.